Good morning, guys. Thursday, the 7th. Today's my Nino's birthday. Happy birthday, Nino. I know you watch my videos. No 5 a.m. wake up call today. Rob just woke me up and I'm like, it's okay, just let me sleep. He went to work early, so I slept in. I slept till 7 when Mavis woke me up. We're back on naps, guys, because I can't. Mavis cannot. She can't hang. She needs a nap. So yeah, let's get breakfast started. And let me just say, the children have been angels. Oh, my mom's here. Okay. Chair. Yes, glove. How do you say glove en español? Guante. Gorro. ¿Qué es un gorro? Sombrero.
El vaquero.
Traje de baño. Chancla.
My favorite.
Ok, muy bien. Ahora vamos a repetir mi abrigo, chamarra, chaqueta, bufanda, guante, gorro, sombrero, traje de baño, chancla, zapatos. The key isn't in my bag. Okay. I didn't have my keys, but I had a little mini frying pan in here. What? I'm realizing that things are fine. I'm just not fine. So when things are just a little bit off, I'm even less fine, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go get the kids' canes because my mom is doing like laundry. She's washing the kids' bedding for me, and I was like, you know what? Cane sounds good to me too, so let's do that. They did their morning work. We did Spanish together, and then I left them doing math. I have Mavis on my iPad on a learning app doing some learning games, and then I told her to ask her sisters for help if she needs help. It's crazy how much hungrier I am when I'm on my period because I ate 2 pancakes this morning. I made pancakes for the kids. I ate 2 pancakes and then I'm hungry again. Like my stomach is actually like growling. One of those days where I just want to shower and get in my bed and not get out. I'm on my like 3rd day technically of my period. It's like technically 2.5 because I started Tuesday like midday. But yeah. But I did want to get school done today, so that's why I've just been kind of holding out. I'm like, because when I shower, I want to get cozy, get in bed. I don't want to have to like do school too, so let's go feed these kids. So I got the food and they took a while, and it's funny because on the way here I was in silence the whole way. I was like, oh, I needed this quiet. It feels so good, it's so quiet. And then right now I'm like, okay, so I finally took a shower, did my PM skincare. It's 5:24 p.m. Ramses took one of the kids to gymnastics. The other one tagged along, so it's just Mavis and I. Ramses said he's gonna pick up pizza on the way home. So I was like, okay, Dad, no arguments here. So I'm going to clean up. I'm gonna close the kitchen. Don't mind my outfit. This is my IDGAF outfit. Okay, sweatpants, my wood shirt. My hair still, don't mind this, I'll probably take this out at some point. But yeah, I'm comfy, cozy, chilling. So I'm gonna clean everything up, start the dishwasher. Probably not start the dishwasher because that thing's super loud. But I'm gonna vacuum, I'm gonna get everything reset. The office is also a mess since we've been doing school in there this week. So I'm gonna clean it up in there too. And then I'm gonna take Mavis a bath, let her play in the bath for a little bit, and then take her bath. And hopefully by then everybody will be home with the food and everything, and everyone can just eat and relax. Tomorrow Ramses does work, but we don't have school, and the kids go to grandma's house, so I get to have a kid-free day. She pretty much has them from like 10 to 6. I kind of take them later in the morning. That's the update for right now, so let's clean. Little Miss Ma'am is on the iPad. Let's start here. Well, first I have to put a show on. She definitely would not have let me do all of this cleaning right now, even on the tablet. Like, she gets bored of the tablet. Let's fix all of this. There we go. I put this little thing back here. It sticks on the desk, and then you just kind of weave everything to the back, and then they come out through here. It was better than having everything on this.
Open the gate. Put your finger in. Wiggle it around. Take it out. Close the gate. Thank you for cleaning my toilet.
Well, Mavis is showered, and now she's watching Rio in here while I do some things. Ramses is showering, the girls are finishing up showering, everybody ate pizza, and the house is dark over there, so we're ready for bed.
I'm going to bed.
Good night. We're going to bed. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.